Hello and welcome. My name is Vakila here. Today I'm gonna do it's a kind of a lullaby or a song that we used to play in elementary school. We used to sing it actually, not play it, just sing it. Now I want to play it. I've just decided to put it on guitar. I have a long song on the machine there. We're going to put a bass on it together, but just to give you a bass riff on that song. It's let me play it and you will know it. So it starts here. So that's the song there. It's a very short song. It's a very short. But if I'll give you the whole song there, and you're gonna see a lot of changes in the bass. So I just want to show you where I was playing. I was playing here. I'm just playing the words of the song using the bass. So this is one of the approaches that you can do. Like I said, you can actually play the words of the song. I've shown you a lot of different approaches that you can do on the bass. We still have some more to show you as well on how you can work on the bass. So on here now, you can remember this note here is G, and that's A, that's B there. So G sharp A sharp B, C there. So I'm starting on C. Then I go down. You can remember this is G sharp and E there. So it's a so that's what it's doing there. Playing on that. That's a fifth there. So this is the fifth here. Octave for the fifth, and that's a third there. That's a root there. So you can figure out what the root is. This being your D, D sharp, C. Sorry, D sharp, E, and F. So that's D, E, F. So that's the F triad, F major triad. That's the key we are playing in. That's how you learn to figure out these chords by doing that. Just that triad. Now once you know the key, you can take the key there and the fifth there. You can take the octave. That's another fifth there. That's another root there. Another F chord. This is E and F. So you see, you end on the root again. You can go that way. Dum 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 dum. You can do it that way. So there's so many ways of doing that. So I'll play the bass over the rhythm that actually comes with the song, and then you can figure out what it's actually talking about. what the rhythm is saying there and what the bass should say. Thank you very much. My name is Wakile. I'll meet you in the next groove. Cheers.